Okay, let's look at trend lines. So the trend lines are under the Analytics tab. First, we have to start with a time series plot. So let's plot sales by ship date. So we have sales, right, and then ship date over there. So right now ship date is discrete. Okay. We want to make it continuous, so it will be a time series plot. So change that to that. So we have a continuous plot, and we want to drill down to the week. Okay, so now we have weekly sales by ship date. Okay. Now we can add you can overlay a trend line through the plot. Okay, and that's given here. So that is trend line is over right here. Okay. So what you have to do is to click and drag it into the chart. Okay. If you bring it like that, a new menu or menu bar will open up. Okay. So now you have to go and drop it in any one of these. Okay. Here, these three are the possible options. You can have a linear trend line, so that draw a straight line through so this is your regression line. Okay. B sub 0 plus B sub 1 times X. Okay. Or you can do an exponential trend line. Okay. Or you can have a polynomial trend line. Okay. Polynomial trend line, you can control the order of polynomial. So right click on the line. If you click edit trend line, okay, you can change the trend line type, and in case of polynomial, you can change the order of the polynomial. Okay. So this is cubic polynomial right now. So if you want quadratic trend line, you can reduce it to 2. So that will give you a quadratic polynomial. Okay. You can do this from here also. Analysis, trend line, edit trend line. So if you select describe trend model, okay, so that will give you the information about how the trend line was calculated. So it gives you the regression analysis results right here. Okay. Now you can do this with discrete trend, time as well. So let's see, let me duplicate this and change this to discrete, and then you see that you don't want month, so every month, so it's broken down into there is no continuity. So the time buckets are now broken down into, at this point it is broken down to the month level. So here it is quarter level, okay, and you have one trend line for each bucket. Okay, so the difference between continuous and and discrete. In continuous, you get just one trend line because it is a continuous stream of data. So when you have discrete dates, then it becomes, buckets of time. And you can also so here are three summarized. So I'm going to go back to sheet 1 now. Okay. I'll remain in sheet 2. Sheet 2, we have 2013. Okay. And at the month level, okay, so I'm going to remove the trend line. Okay. Trend line. So I'm going to uncheck that. So all the trend lines are gone. Okay. So now suppose we have summarize lines that summarize the data. Okay. So you have a constant line. Okay. Suppose if you want in a scatter plot, you want suppose there is a floor for profit, and you want to draw the floor for profit in your scatter plot, just for the purpose of comparison. So you can bring that in. So now we have a constant line for the entire table, and you can select whatever value you want. If you want 100, so then it will be at 100. Well, 100,000, 100,000. Okay. A constant line. Okay. Or you can have average line. Okay. Now once again, you can have it for the entire table or pane or cell. Constant is for the entire table. Constant, you don't have that option. Okay. So here, if you want for the entire table, so we have the average here for the entire table, or you can change it to a pane or a cell. Okay. Cell you don't want for pane. Okay. And similarly, median or quartile. So again, suppose we want for the entire table, so we have median, lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. Okay. So these are summary lines. Total, I've not done this before. Subtotals, you have to